Jungle beats. But they still need you. They still fuck with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if you're new here. For today's video, we're doing a back to school drugstore makeup tutorial. So all the products on my face right now are all drugstore products. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And let's just get right into the video. To start off my face, I'm gonna prime. Priming is so important when you do your makeup because you need a really flawless moisturized base in order for your makeup to last longer. So for primer today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. This is so sticky, like literally I think it's a dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip because it's dewy and it's like freaking sticky as fuck. And I'm also going to use the Milani 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. So I like this one because it reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Let me show you guys this one right here. So these two are like dupes for one another. So if you wanted to buy this but you don't want to spend the money, then just get this one. I love this one. It's just a little bit too light for my skin, but it doesn't matter because it's just a primer. I'm gonna put product on top. So I'm going to combine these two and we'll see, because I've never combined them like both before, but I like this and I like this. So yeah, hopefully like it looks good. I think I'm gonna start out with this one, the Jelly Pop Primer. It smells like watermelon, like a Jolly Rancher, a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So it comes out clear. It smells so good. Look, you guys, when I tell you this is like such a sticky primer, it's like literally crazy. My mirror is right here, by the way, so I'm gonna be looking over here. Don't mind me. And I already put sunscreen on. You should always put sunscreen on before you do your makeup. An amazing sunscreen primer that I love is hold on one second, is this one. This one's the best. This is Milani's SPF BFF. This is the best primer and SPF that I have ever tried. If you have not tried this, I suggest you go pick it up because I really love it. And as you guys can see, I put on that primer and now my face is all sticky. Like literally it sticks, like it's so sticky. I've never felt a primer be this sticky before. And I'm just gonna apply the 4-in-1 perfector over that. You just twist it and then product comes out. It's gonna be light, like you see that it's super duper light. You're probably like, Melissa, that's not even your shade. It doesn't matter because it's just a primer. I like to use this because I have dry skin. If you have like oily skin, I suggest the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I also have that one. I need to use that one more because I have it and I barely even use it. So now I'm just gonna blend that out with my brush. This is from Makeup Shack. It's a T42 brush, I think. This one's my favorite brush to blend out creams, and I'm just gonna apply that everywhere and it's gonna give you like a glow. Okay, so boom, now that we have that on, this is how our face is looking. It's very glowy, and then we also have this sticky primer, so it's gonna make our makeup last way longer. And now for foundation. Oops, I almost fucking dropped this. But honestly, if it was me, like for school, I usually put concealer in just like places where I have hyperpigmentation and I don't use foundation. But I don't have a concealer, a drugstore concealer that fits me right now. Like for the rest of my face, I only have it for under my eyes. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Infallible. Yeah, so what I like about this product is that it looks so natural on your skin. It looks like second skin, and it has SPF 25. Hello, like, and it has medium coverage. So this is honestly the best foundation at the drugstore right now, in my opinion. Like, I think it's so good. I like my face to look flawless, so I do use a dense brush to blend out my foundation. By the way, I'm in the shade 486, just in case you were wondering. And I pumped it in the back of my hand, and you guys are gonna see, like, can you guys see? Actually, no, you can't see. My hyperpigmentation right there is just gonna cover that shit up. Oh my god, I'm getting a pimple. I could never be happy, I swear. Okay, so now that we have that base on, I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is my e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. It's my favorite concealer at the drugstore currently, and I'm in the shade Medium Sand. So I'm just gonna apply this underneath my eyes, blending this out with the Morphe G2 brush. I don't think that Morphe makes this brush anymore, But if you want to get a brush that's similar to this, then get the Makeup Shack brush, because that one is pretty much what I would use if I don't use this brush. So I like that one as well. Okay, so I applied my concealer and blended it out. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with my favorite powder at the moment. This is kind of like a drugstore favorites video because I'm using all my favorite products. So this is by Beauty Bakery. It's the Pinch of Flower loose powder. It's in Casanova Yellow. I love this powder because it brightens up my under eyes and it makes it look smooth, which is like great for me because I have very like creasy under eyes and they always love to crease. My under eyes love to crease, and with this powder I find that the creasing doesn't look as bad. Like, I'm not gonna say that it's crease resistant or anything. Like, it still creases, but it doesn't make my under eyes look that bad. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and look up and then tap that powder in. And I'm only setting underneath my eyes because we're gonna do like cream products later. So okay, boom, I set those areas just right here, and right here I did set my eyelids as well. This isn't a magical powder because if you look up close, you're gonna be like, oh yeah. If you look up close, like, oh yeah, she wearing makeup, definitely, for sure she wearing makeup. But if you look at me from like an arm's like distance, you'll be like, she looks fresh, she looks rejuvenated. Because makeup at the end of the day is gonna look like makeup. If you don't want your makeup to look like makeup, babes, yeah, no, just change your mindset. It's gonna look like makeup. I'm sorry, because you're putting on makeup at the end of the day. So now I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to use this to like kind of refresh my makeup, if that makes sense, like just to bring back life into it after I put all that powder underneath my under eye. So it's gonna just help set everything into my skin and make it look more like skin rather than looking powdery. Okay, you guys, if you know me, you know I love layering my makeup products. I love going in with creams and then powder on top and all that. So for a cream blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I love the color of this. It's called Bora Bora. It's such a pretty like pink color. But I do wish it had more pigments. I know a lot of people say that it comes with a special brush that you're supposed to use it with, but I don't know. I feel like regardless, because I use it with many different brushes, even though I don't have the e.l.f. brush, so I can't really say. So we'll see. I'm going to apply this with the same Makeup Shack brush. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, okay. So I laid down that color. As you can see, like, it's very faint just because of my skin tone, though. I feel like if you were of lighter complexion, you would like this product and this color. I still like the color though, even though it's like faint. I still like the color because it gives you like a nice baby doll pink. And I'm gonna use the Putty bronzer. I forgot what color this is. Oh, it's Golden Days. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use it with my Real Techniques brush. This is in the this is the brush. This is the contour brush. So I'm just gonna tap it in like that. And then I'm just gonna go, I always do my contour and my blush higher than what it's supposed to be, because like I'm gonna do it like right here, you know, because that way it gives my face a lifted look. I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that in. I'm also gonna apply that on my lid so it could give my lid some color. I'm not really going to apply eyeshadow today, so I think, like, see the difference that does? It just gives your lid a little bit of color. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the No. 7 Lips and Illuminate powder. This is in the shade Medium. There's only 3 shades, but Medium is the shade that I'm using, and I'm just gonna set everywhere else that I didn't get to set. Okay, so now that we have our base kind of done, we're gonna go on top of that with powder products now. So like powder blush, powder bronzer. I'm gonna show you guys my drugstore favorites for that. Okay, so for bronzer, if you do not have this palette already, I feel like you have to run to the drugstore. Like, it's only $15 and you get so many colors with this. You get 6 shades. One of them broke for me, which is really sad because these powders are very finely milled. They're kind of like putty. They're like so soft and cooling. I really can't explain it. So you get 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and then you get 2 bronzers. I'm going to use this bronzer and I'm going to bronze on my face over the cream, because I am extra, and it smells so good. It smells like a pina colada in there. So this is my Morphe M530 brush, and I'm just gonna take that shade and I am going to bronze my face. So you see how great that blends? Like, ugh, this bronzer blends so fucking well. And now we're gonna use this blush right here. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my NYX the brow glue. I forgot what it was called for a second there. I honestly think this product is really good if you want to set your eyebrows. If you're looking to do like the feathery eyebrow thing, like pushing your eyebrows up and forcing them to be up, I don't think it's that good for that because, yeah, I don't know, people say they don't like it for that. But to set my eyebrows, I kind of like it, so. Okay, next we're gonna curl our eyelashes and apply mascara. Okay, so I curled my eyelashes, and my favorite mascara from the drugstore is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I think this mascara is honestly my favorite, like the best at the drugstore, because it has the spikes and it's curved, and I've been using this forever, and I honestly haven't found anything that I like better than this. And I've tried a lot of mascaras, so yeah. I am not gonna apply lashes today because usually I would. Like, honestly, in school I was like that bitch, like especially in high school. I used to do my makeup like every single day, like every day I used to do my makeup, and I used to wear lashes, do my eyeshadow, everything, and I was late to school, yep, every single day, because I was doing my makeup. So I would wear eyelashes, but I know that a lot of people probably will not wear eyelashes to school, so I'm not gonna do that, you know. But if I were to do that, you already know what lashes I would wear. My Ashe Beauty lashes. Those to me look the absolute best in my opinion. I have yet to find another lash style that I love as much as that one. So I would definitely wear that one to school. I probably will too, because you know, I'm in college, so it's different. Like, I'm sure a high schooler is like probably watching this like, I would never wear that much makeup. Like, babe, then this tutorial is not for you. Okay, look at my eyelashes. They look so good. See, this mascara is just the best in my opinion. For lips, I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF2 lip liner. You can use any lip liner that works for you and your skin tone, but I'm just gonna use this one because it's like a pinky color and I kind of like it. Okay, so I lined my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is my favorite lipstick or lip product. This is in the shade Abu Dhabi. I love this product. It looks so good. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face again with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. This is pretty much the makeup I would do for school every day, especially if you want to use just drugstore products. This makeup look is for you because it looks so pretty. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. So this is my back to school makeup tutorial with drugstore products only. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite drugstore product. I love buying drugstore products, so let me know what's your favorite. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye.